Hello everyone. Welcome to our project presentation, AI-based mark prediction system. Our project uses artificial intelligence to predict students' marks and help the teacher to identify students who need extra support.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan, the team leader and the main developer of our AI-based mark predicting system. I was the one responsible for the coding, the front-end design, and the back-end logic behind this project. Our goal was to build a smart and reliable tool that can analyze student data, predict marks with good accuracy, and display the results in a simple, user-friendly interface. In this video, I'll walk you through the features we created, the technology behind the system, and how it can help teachers and students make better decisions. Now let's get started. Passing the reins on to our next member.
Hi, I'm Rehan Ziad, data expert of our team. In this role, I collected, cleaned, and prepared the data used for training the AI. I made sure that the dataset was accurate, unbiased, and ready to deliver the precise predictions. I'm the information researcher too. I gathered useful insights and background information that can support our project. My research helped us understand how AI can improve grades using mark prediction systems. Myself, Rohan. So, as a tester, I checked the performance and accuracy of our AI-based mark prediction system. I checked it on different devices, dataset, and made sure that everything worked smoothly. My role was to ensure that our system was accurate, user-friendly, and ready to use.
Myself, Ruswan. I'm the marketing and communication leader of our project. I handled the project by creating a report and refining the video content. My goal is to make our hardware clear, professional, and inspiring.
Hi, I'm Arya. As a video producer, I captured and edited all of our visuals of our AI mark prediction system. I recorded team activities, organized clips, and created a clear, engaging final video. My role is to represent our project in a creative and efficient way. So, as it's time to conclude our project presentation video, our project shows that how teamwork can be turned into technology, and our system shows that how AI has been used to make our education system better and smarter.
In this clip, I'll be showing you the working of our project. So, to get a predicted grade, you would first require to enter certain details. For example, I'm giving random ones here. Let's say roll number 35, grade 11, and section anywhere from A to D. Let's say C. Okay, and I'm giving an average term 1 mark of 87%. 87% and a term 2 mark of 92%. And now you press submit and it will give you the result, which is the details you've already submitted to it, and the predicted annual grade, which in this case is 90.05. And it also, for the ease of access of the teachers or students, it also shows the student data of all the previously added students. And most of these are training data, and there are some test data such as these. And that's about it for the working of our project. It is done beautifully in a graphical user interface using a website called Hugging Face, which I've used to deploy too. Thank you.